Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the solution steps for New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 9. SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. You can see the assignment instruction. To complete this project, follow these steps. Step 1 on the loan payments sheet. Run error checking and fix the total interest formula so it sums years 1C5 correctly. Step 2. Use Trace Precedents to locate and fix the value error in remaining percent by dividing remaining principal by loan amount. Copy the formula down. Step 3. Use CUMIPMT to calculate cumulative interest for year 1 and fill down for all years. Step 4. Use CUMPRI-INC to calculate cumulative principal for year 1 and fill down. Step 5 on the depreciation sheet. Fix the year to cumulative depreciation error by adding year 1's cumulative value to year 2's annual depreciation. Step 6. Use SLN, DB, and SID functions to calculate straight line, declining balance, and sum of years digits depreciation. Step 7 on the earnings projections sheet. Use linear trend for municipal grants, growth trend for insurance reimbursements, and 5% growth extrapolation for payroll expenses. Step 8. Add a linear trend line with a 1-period forecast on the projected revenue chart and a logarithmic trend line on the revenue trend scatter chart. Step 9 on the investment sheet. Calculate present value PV using a 7.3% rate and payments for years 1C6. Then find the internal rate of return IRR for the same data. Step 10. Save, close, and submit the file.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at 447-309-655-268 or log into our website, helpinhomework.org, and chat with a customer support agent.